In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Capitec Confirmation Letter PDF. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure to open your Capitec application. So from in there, you can open an account from there on your app, or you can also go over to a physical bank. So for this, you just need to switch your salary and get your debit card online there as well. It has simple fees and as well as a lot of things. Now, if you wish to get your Capitec confirmation letter, you can do so by going over into your actual app right there and then requesting it directly onto your bank statements. So it also gives you a confirmation letter directly once you have signed up as well. So for that, you can just prompt and then wait for the confirmation letter to arrive, either by email or via your mail delivery over traditional. So it can also be gotten if you actually go over and then requested it yourself directly from Capitec. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.